Welcome to Inkazumulo Center's YouTube channel. La sikhuluma khona ngakho konke okubandakanya nemarket. Igama uStan Lewis, your favorite trader. You just don't know it yet. Ngithanda ukubonga kubo bonke abasubscribile kule channel lena. Nisiza le channel ukuthi ikhule. Khona abangasubscribanga but bayawabuka ama video wami. Guys, ngicela nisubscribe. So, kuningi okuzayo, ngicela ni subscribe and enjoy the video that is coming right now. Namaste guys, so vandaag ngibheke i-market maker buy model la ku Nasdaq. So lena i-IFG lengimakhayo lana. So bengi-anticipate ukuthi price njengoba i-buyer ingabuya lapha mangabe ya retracer, but it was too impulsive, so ayizange yabuya lapha at all. So this was the anticipated direction. So ngizoya ku 5 minutes to check ukuthi price yenzani. So i-5 minutes chart yile ngiyisebenzisa kakhulu ne 1 minute. 1 minute is for entry. So mawabheka la i-price mayiqala ilanga leli la creator le high le bese hla creator le low, lower high, lower low, lower high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, bese ya consolidate, then ya break structure and gave us a new what higher high. So lana sithi yini market structure shift lesi witnessayo la. So kule market structure shift le iyasitshela ukuthi okay njengoba i-price seyithathile in i-low ye-Asia and now we are shifting i-market structure, we are no longer bearish, bullish, we might be heading for in that high ye-Asia. Ngazi niyayibona, so that blue box simakhe i-Asia ne, the green one is London. So i-London ile yathathi i-Asia. So le level le yiyo i-IFG yiyo ekhuphula i-price currently ne guys. There 1 minute price angeke izibuyele kuyo. So this is a typical buy model. Angazi niyayibona guys. So this is the result. Cala subscribe. Yawe.